Hello, everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete a revision. So if you have a quiz score that you are not happy about and you want to make it better, you are going to complete the revision procedure. So I'm in our Canvas homepage, and for this example, I'm going to complete it through the algebra class. But if you are in geometry, you will see a geometry revision procedure. So on our homepage, we have at the bottom a revision procedure document. So I'm doing the algebra example today. So that's going to take me to the revision procedure document. And here are the instructions. The first thing they do is to check the required activities list, which is below. And the required activities list are the activities that you must complete before I let you revise a quiz. And so we see for the A12A standard, we have these four required activities. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go into Canvas to see if you have a complete or incomplete score for the required activities. A complete score will have a check mark, it'll say complete. An incomplete will say incomplete, and it might have an X on it. Once you have checked those Canvas assignments that are in the required list, you're going to complete this Math Revision Google form. So here is the Math Revision form. You're going to type your first and last name. You're going to tell me which quiz you need to revise, so it might be this one, and you're going to use the full name, including the standard, so it might be A12A Mastery Quiz 1. You can type next. You're going to tell me, have you checked the required activities list that's posted on the revision procedure? And yes, I have. I have looked at the required list, so I'm going to say true. Now here is the part that requires you to check Canvas. It says my Canvas score for each of the required activities is, and it's going to be either complete or it's going to be that there's an assignment that's marked incomplete. If you have completed all of those assignments already, you're going to select complete, and the next part of the form is going to ask you what time you want to come to office hours to revise that quiz. And once you submit a time, I'm going to get that in the responses, and I'll know that you are showing up to office hours so that I can get you another version of the quiz to revise. If you have a required assignment that is not complete, so you see one or more assignments as marked incomplete in Canvas, you're going to select this option. If you select that option, it's going to take you to a different section of the form. And here you're going to select a time to revise those required activities. Now, this is important. Once you have completed the required activities and turned them back in, you would come back to this form and select a time to revise the quiz. So again, after you complete the required activities, you will come back to this form, select a time to revise the quiz. If you have any questions about the revision procedure, please contact me on Canvas, on Remind, or through email. Thank you.